Jakarta!
Yay! New country, new city, first time
Yeah.
for both of us.
Yeah, a lot of things to discover and to learn. And it was a good flight, and even the pilot was in a good mood. He was telling some jokes.
And he was so happy that we arrived 10 minutes earlier. I didn't know that the name of the airport was Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. It's a beautiful name.
Do you need to go to the toilet?
Not now, maybe later. I'm so glad.
I want to go now.
Okay. While waiting for dance, I just want to share with you that I'm so glad we are here in Indonesia. I feel very lucky and blessed. Now a new journey begins. We hope that we can visit a beautiful place and meet beautiful people, kind people, and eat delicious food here. So we hope that you will join us in this travel journey. And
Wow, it's cold. Yeah, let's go find the immigration.
okay. Can you hear what I say?
No? What do you say?
I said that I'm so happy to be here.
Ah, yes. Look at the beautiful picture. Yeah, we are just at the airport, but I'm really excited already to explore the city and the country, and to eat the Indonesian foods, and to learn a lot of stuff and see a lot of stuff, and yeah, very nice.
Me too. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. At the airport you can even take a relaxing time here and just enjoy, like in the beach. Yeah, we have to go.
You see, as soon as we arrive, all my energies come back.
Yeah.
I feel better.
Ah yes, we found a water station. Doesn't work. Put bottle in sensor area to fill water. Okay. Luggage here. No? This is mine. Ah,
We are the last one.
the last one.
I cannot believe.
Oh, hopefully we found the luggage. Oh, I can go there. Hopefully our luggage are still here. Yeah, it was the last true one because we take our time, and also we had to buy a visa on arrival. We didn't expect that. We thought that as French we don't need to buy visa on arrival if we stay only for 1 month.
But it's fine. It's 35 euros.
We have to figure out how to pay because we didn't have
Enough.
Indonesian rupiah, but hopefully they could get euro, so we just paid in euro.
If you have a credit card or debit card, you can take out the money.
some money.
It's official. We are in Jakarta.
Yay!
We are out of the airport, but we don't know where to go.
I think we can go from this direction. We just follow the sky train. We'll see. Let's go. The map of the subway. We're just checking which line we should take. Ah, we have to go to here. So we are here at the airport, taking a train to Mangalay, and from here we have to take the red line to Sawabesa. Sawabesa. Where is Sawabesa? Sawabesa. Okay, we found our way. So next time if you want to take the subway to the city, just follow the SkyTrain. You have to take the SkyTrain first to go to the train station from there you can take the subway to the city, and the SkyTrain is free.
First train ride in Indonesia.
Yeah.
What time is the train?
It's in 15 minutes. Actually, yeah, it's not like subway. It's more like a railway. So there is only one every hour, and it costs 70,000 rupiah, Indonesian rupiah per person. From there, we will have to take, I think, the subway. But yeah. So now we are waiting here in the waiting lounge, just resting a little bit. And for information, to buy those tickets, you have to pay in a vending machine, and you cannot pay by cash. You can only pay with a credit card or debit card. Let's go to the train.
Where to go?
We don't have any seat number, no?
No, free sitting. Look at this space.
Okay, so we just get off from the first train, and now we have to take a subway or metro. And I think this is so another system, so we had to buy another tickets again. And I think that we have to go for the platform 11. This is there, I think. We are finally on the streets of Jakarta, and it seems pretty healthy. It's really busy with a lot of motorcycles and cars.
I don't know how can I cross this.
Yeah. Maybe we can cross? No. We just get out of a hotel. Well, we were kind of lazy.
We were tired.
We were so tired. We didn't want to go out anymore, but we have to eat. We are hungry.
We didn't have lunch.
Yeah.
And it's already 6 p.m. or something like this.
Yeah. So we'll have a lunch diner.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really interesting. And actually the street of Malacca reminds me a little bit of the street of Vietnam.
But we are not in Malacca.
Not Malacca, Jakarta. There's a lot of honk and there's a lot of motorcycle. So much things going on around. But Lynn, she said that it reminds her of India.
Yeah, that's true. The tuk-tuk here, the blue tuk-tuk, reminds me India.
Okay, let's find a restaurant. Ah, bah de riz.
And one thing,
Ça va.
tawa. One thing tawa.
Thank you. We found this beautiful restaurant and it's super local and it serves soup with rice and it's really delicious and the staff is really kind too. We cannot wait to eat.
The soups come. Ah, thank you. Oh, but I have noodle inside. Ah, I see. It's rice with vermicelli. Okay, very interesting. They put directly the rice inside.
Oh, look interesting.
And
What I
yours? Oh, same. You have rice and
No, just rice.
you don't have vermicelli. You have a soy.
So
how? This is ayam. This is chicken, right? Oh, it looks delicious.
Where is the apple box?
Nice.
It must be really expensive, this box.
What's inside? Chili?
Chili. And this sauce also.
Okay. I'm so hungry. Let's eat.
Oh yeah. Oh, you will really like it. Because you could not eat much these recent days. And this, it's so easy to eat.
I'm glad that now I have the appetite again and I can eat it. Delicious. Yours is good too. But I prefer mine.
I will just add a little bit of spiciness just to try. I'm not sure it's I should do like that or not. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, quite good. Oh, it's spicy. Really like it.
Cool. I'm still hungry. Finish. Hi, Dan.
Hey, what are you doing?
So delicious. It's so delicious that I order one more. Besar this time because this is so small. You enjoy your first dinner here in Indonesia?
Yeah, really easy to eat and I really like the soup. Really tasty.
Thank you. How is your first tea here?
Simple and delicious. No sugar, just a simple plain tea. And it feels super great to do that.
This is how we learn actually what are the beverage or dish means because we didn't know what is teh tawar.
Yeah.
We just try.
Just try.
And now, just by tasting, you know that it's the plain one.
Yeah, and I'm so hot right now.
Yeah, because of the soup.
Because really hot and I added some spiciness. So.
We got one crepe in the mall And this one costs 21,000.
Yeah, there is a Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. I feel like, oh, it's so hot.
Looks crispy.
It is.
Yeah, there's actually chocolate. And it's a good match with peanuts and a cream. Pretty good.
And pretty cheap. 21,000 is like 50 cents around.
Ah, no.
No?
No. It's more than €1.
We're still adapting with the currency here.
Yeah.
Few hours only in Indonesia. We are looking for a supermarket to see if we can buy some bottle of water because we didn't find any place to fill. So that's why we are here in the mall. And Dan is eating all my crepe. If you want one, you can go and order one. Dan,
Yeah.
on n'a pas de lavabo. Première fois qu'on n'a pas de lavabo. Sur le sol. Système D.
Et en fait, brosser les dents et ouais, cracher par terre, ça coulera.
Ça coulera directement. It's official, we are in Jakarta.
Yay!
We hope that you will join us in this travel journey.